If you've been searching for a beginner-friendly full-body workout you can actually follow at home without feeling overwhelmed, this is exactly what you came for. No complicated gym machines, no advanced moves that leave you frustrated after 30 seconds, and no endless talking before the workout even begins. This routine is designed to get your whole body moving, raise your energy, and help you build strength step by step using simple movements anyone can start with. The best part is that every exercise flows naturally into the next one, so by the end, you'll feel like you completed a real workout without needing years of fitness experience. Stay with it all the way through because each movement prepares your body for the next, and the final exercises will make you realize how much stronger and more confident you already feel compared to when you started. We begin with a movement that wakes up your entire body gently while getting your core involved right away. Stand tall with your feet about hip width apart and bring your hands up in front of your chest. Keep your palms facing downward and let your elbows point outward naturally. From here, slowly lift your right knee toward your chest while rotating your torso slightly to the right side. As you twist, bring your left elbow closer toward that raised knee. You don't need to force the movement or rush it. The goal is simply to activate your abs, loosen your waist, and start building coordination between your upper and lower body. Lower your right leg back to the ground and return your torso to the center before switching sides. Now raise your left knee while rotating in the opposite direction and bringing your right elbow across. Continue alternating from side to side with smooth, controlled movement. As your body warms up, you'll notice your balance improving and your breathing becoming more rhythmic. Keep going because these first few moments are preparing your joints and muscles for the work ahead. Stay focused through the final seconds and finish strong before taking a quick rest. The next movement keeps that same energy flowing but adds more motion through the upper body and waist. Stand with your feet around shoulder width apart and raise your arms together above your head. Your posture should stay tall and relaxed. Now lower your hands down toward the right side by turning your torso slightly to the right while lifting your right knee toward your waist at the same time. Return smoothly to the starting position with your arms overhead. Then repeat the movement on the opposite side, lowering your hands toward the left while lifting your left knee upward. This exercise feels almost like a flowing side-to-side rhythm, and that's exactly what makes it effective for beginners. You're training coordination, balance, and core control all at once without needing explosive power. The twisting motion also helps loosen stiffness through the spine and shoulders. Keep the movement steady and controlled instead of rushing through it. With every repetition, your body becomes more awake, your heart rate climbs a little higher, and your confidence starts building naturally. Push through the last few seconds before resting again. Now it's time to involve the upper body more directly while still keeping things beginner-friendly. Stand facing a wall and place both hands firmly against it. Position your feet slightly away from the wall so your body leans forward comfortably. Slowly bend your elbows and allow your chest to move closer toward the wall. Keep the movement controlled instead of dropping forward too quickly. As you straighten your arms again, extend your left leg backward while slightly bending your right knee for balance. Return to the original position and perform another wall push-up. This time, extend your right leg backward while your left knee bends slightly. Continue alternating sides. This movement is excellent because it combines upper body pushing strength with lower body balance and stability. You're working your chest, shoulders, arms, and legs at the same time without placing too much pressure on your joints. Beginners often underestimate how effective wall exercises can be, but when done properly, they build important foundational strength. Focus on maintaining steady breathing and controlled movement as you continue through the set. The final seconds might start to challenge your arms a little, but stay consistent and finish the movement with good form before resting. After that upper body focus, we shift into a lower body movement that strengthens the legs and glutes while teaching proper squat mechanics. Start by bending your legs and pushing your hips backward as if you are about to sit down into a chair, but stop before going too low. Your body should form about a 45-degree angle rather than a full seated position. Extend your arms straight in front of you for balance. Pause briefly at the bottom so your muscles stay engaged, then slowly rise back up by pressing through your heels. As you stand, avoid locking your knees completely. This exercise may look simple, but it plays a huge role in building leg strength and improving stability for everyday movements. The next exercise introduces more movement and coordination while keeping the workout engaging. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and bend your arms in front of your chest with your fists closed. From here, step your left leg behind your right leg in a crossing motion while simultaneously extending your left arm across your body in a punching movement toward the right side. Return to the starting position before switching sides. Now cross your right leg behind your left while punching your right arm across your body toward the opposite direction. Continue alternating smoothly. This movement combines balance, coordination, and light cardio while also engaging your core and shoulders. The crossing step forces your body to stabilize, while the punching motion adds upper body activation. Now we widen the stance and challenge flexibility along with total body movement. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart. Bend your right leg and lower your body slightly toward that side while reaching your left hand down toward your right foot. At the same time, lift your right hand upward toward the ceiling. Return to the center and repeat on the opposite side by bending your left leg, touching toward the left foot with your right hand, and lifting your left hand upward. This exercise stretches the legs, activates the core, and improves mobility through the hips and back. It also introduces rotational movement that helps your body feel more athletic and coordinated. The workout continues by bringing more focus back to balance and knee drive. Start with your left leg positioned behind you and your right leg slightly bent in front. Keep your elbows bent with your palms facing downward. From this position, drive your left knee upward toward your palms until they touch. Lower the leg back down under control and switch sides. Now position your right leg behind you and bring your right knee upward toward your hands. Repeat this alternating motion steadily. Now the intensity rises slightly as we move down to the floor for a cardio-focused core exercise. Get into a plank position with your hands about shoulder width apart. Spread your fingers slightly and press firmly into the ground so your weight stays evenly distributed between your hands and toes. Keep your body in a straight line and avoid letting your hips lift too high. From here, pull your right knee into your chest as far as you comfortably can. Then quickly switch legs by extending the right leg back and driving the left knee forward. Continue alternating rapidly while keeping your core tight. This movement starts increasing the pace of the workout while also targeting your abs, shoulders, and legs. Beginners may feel their breathing pick up here, and that's completely expected. The key is to maintain control rather than sacrificing form for speed. Keep your hips low and continue driving the knees in and out rhythmically. Even if the movement feels challenging, remind yourself that you're building endurance with every second. Stay committed through the final countdown and then enjoy the rest. Without leaving the floor, we move directly into a classic core strengthening hold. Lower yourself onto your elbows and extend your legs behind you. Your elbows should stack directly beneath your shoulders while your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Rest your weight on your forearms and toes while tightening your core. Avoid allowing your hips to sink toward the ground or your hips to rise too high. The last exercise brings everything together with a burst of full body energy. Stand straight with your feet together and your hands resting by your sides. Jump upward while spreading your feet apart and bringing your hands together above your head. Then jump again to return to the starting position with your feet together and your arms lowered. Continue repeating the movement smoothly and rhythmically. This classic exercise gets your entire body moving while raising your heart rate for a strong finish. Your legs, arms, shoulders, and core all work together as you keep jumping. By now, you'll probably notice how much warmer and more energized your body feels compared to the beginning of the workout. Even if you feel tired, try to maintain your rhythm through the final seconds because finishing strong creates momentum and confidence for the next workout. Keep pushing, keep breathing, and stay focused right until the very end. And just like that, the workout is complete. You showed up, stayed consistent, and moved your body through every stage of the routine. That matters more than perfection. Every beginner starts somewhere, and completing a full body workout like this is already a huge step forward. The more consistently you repeat workouts like this, the stronger, more confident, and more energized you'll become. Well done.